What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of More Seasoning. I am your host, Farnum. If you're new to this channel, make sure you scroll down, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you can stay up to date with my weekly uploads. And make sure you like, drop a comment on here. Let me know what you think of the video, or if you have any future suggestions. That way we can get to that. What are we doing today? Well, it's 2020. New year, new me, resolutions, all that. You know, we're gonna go ahead and knock salads out, because let's be real. When you think about salads that you make for yourself, or that, you know, you get a little side salad from a restaurant, they suck. They're boring, there's not a lot of flavor, it's pretty consistent on the texture, but we're gonna throw a whole dope twist on this. We're gonna make these 3 salads that are full of flavor, full of different textures, and super healthy. That way you can stay on the right track in 2020. So without further ado, here go my 3 bomb salad recipes. So before you jump into your salad, like throwing it all together, make sure you cut everything, prep everything out. That way you can just throw it in a bowl, mix it up, and you're good to go. So for the first recipe, we are gonna be doing one of my favorites, the Asian ginger salad. So I'll go over the ingredients real quick. Again, these are super simple, like 5-10 minute max salads. So the ingredients for that are purple and white cabbage, romaine lettuce, cucumber, get a Japanese cucumber if you can, ginger salad dressing. I love Makoto. Do this one. Edamame, carrots, or a bag of shredded carrots and cabbage if you can find it. Asian style crunchy noodles, canned mandarin slices, and sesame seeds. Let's start with a good handful of cut up romaine lettuce. Oh, I did wonderful on that cut right there. How's that? Let's do a little bit more romaine, and then we're gonna go pre-cut white and purple cabbage. Just go ahead and put in there. A little bit more. Oh, looks like there's some kale in there, which is totally cool. So we got that. Next, let's put in some very thinly sliced cucumbers as opposed to the thicker sliced. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go ahead and put in some all organic edamame. Just trickle that in there. That'll add a good little bit of sweetness and a different texture. Perfect. Next, let's go ahead and throw in our sliced carrots. Again, guys, this is easy 1, 2, 3 recipe. So depending on what kind of person you are, if you're a person that I would most likely be friends with, you put a generous amount of salad dressing on there. I say the more the merrier. Like, I like a good amount of salad dressing on every bite. And then here's the secret to any good salad. I hate people that just put salad dressing right on the top and no. Give it a good mix. So I take a pair of tongs, I do a rough little mix right here. Stuff starts falling all over the place, but it's all good. Look at that. So we got our cucumbers. The smell coming off this ginger dressing is just amazing, by the way. All right, there we go. Perfect. Cool. So we've got our salad all mixed up. Last 3 ingredients we have are our Asian crunchy noodles, sesame seeds, and mandarins. And let's go ahead and plate this thing. For our second recipe, we're gonna be doing a teriyaki salmon Caesar salad. This one is incredibly filling. It's bomb, tons of flavor, tons of texture in there. So the ingredients you'll need for this one are 1 piece of teriyaki salmon, romaine lettuce, croutons, if you're not doing carbs, notons, shredded Parmesan cheese, roasted garlic, Caesar dressing, cherry tomatoes, 1 lemon, herbs de Provence, black pepper, and a pair of tongs. Now we're gonna put together our second salad recipe, which is our Caesar salad with teriyaki salmon. So let's go ahead and start with a good handful of our chopped romaine lettuce. Here's a quick question for you guys. What is the most holy vegetable? It's lettuce. You know why? It's so bad. because they say, let us pray. All right, bet. All right, now what we're gonna go ahead and do is throw in our cut grape tomatoes. Add a little bit of color in there. Some herbes de Provence. So I would say maybe like half a teaspoon herbes de Provence. Then we're gonna do a squeeze of half a lemon, just so you guys can see where we're at right here. Not the full half lemon, just like a little squeeze, because that's gonna add some bite and tang. Then let's throw in our cracked pepper. Throw in a generous amount because that's what Caesar salads are about. Cool. Then shredded parm. Add in a good, here, just follow my lead, guys. Just add in a good amount. There you go. Let's throw some croutons in there. And I like a crouton that's got some dressing on it, right? Because why not add more flavor to it? So we'll throw a couple croutons in there. And then we will throw in a good amount of Caesar dressing. Again, be liberal. If you like it, be liberal. That looks good. And then we mix. You can smell that lemon. Oh, and there's the salad dressing just popping out. All that roasted garlic in there. That looks perfect. All right, and now we're gonna plate with our teriyaki salmon. Bro, what? Hold on. And for our last recipe, we are gonna do a jumbo raspberry Greek chicken salad. This one is like if you're starving, if you're feeding a bunch of people, this is the go-to because this one has tons of texture, tons of like bomb filling ingredients, and the flavor is out of this world. This might be my favorite one out of all of them. So for that salad, you're gonna need grilled chicken breast, cucumber, romaine lettuce, arugula, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, goat cheese, grape tomatoes, Kalamata olives, raspberry vinaigrette of your choice, and Greek dressing of your choice. So we're gonna start with some arugula. Put a little handful of arugula in there. Beautiful. Toss the arugula.
Goodbye.
Then we're gonna throw in some romaine, some good romaine. I don't do iceberg because, like I said, 2020 healthy resolution. So let's put in some stuff that has some actual nutrients. Then we're gonna go ahead and just shake in some of our beautifully tender grilled chicken. Some pumpkin seeds for a little crunch. Nice. Then we'll do some broccoli florets. That'll give it a little more body. Don't go too crazy with those. Let's throw in a handful of some cucumbers, some grape tomatoes, wonderful. Crack in some black pepper, a few kamala, I don't know. Sprinkle a few of those in there. Then, this stuff is literally just like, it's kind of like Play-Doh, but you're just gonna pop a few chunks of that goat cheese in there. That's just gonna add like a creaminess to that salad, which is a texture we don't have in any of the other salads yet. Perfect. And then our last thing that we're gonna do for our raspberry Greek jumbo salad is half Greek dressing and half raspberry vinaigrette. I don't know why, I just tried this one day and it was bomb. And then we mix. What? Who's that? Hey! Hey! Ho! All right, look, now this is why it's called the jumbo salad, because there's just so much in this salad. If you guys have any idea who ran across the background of my video, please dial 911 and tell them who the suspect is, the perpetrator, the perp. There's probably a big glob of, yep, goat cheese right there and right there. We'll just put that back in and we will plate. So here it is, the smorgasbord of salads. We've got our Asian ginger salad, we've got our teriyaki salmon Caesar salad, and we've got our raspberry Greek jumbo salad, all of which are bomb, all of which are gonna need a celebrity taste tester, which we're gonna drum roll. welcome my boy, personal trainer, future contestant, Zach Zenios. Applause, everybody. What's up, bro? So, my friend here, you know what I'm saying? He's on the health kick for 2020 as well, the Roaring 20s. Which one do you want to try first, man?
Man, hard decision. I'm thinking that one.
You want to do the Asian one?
Yeah.
So I got you the long fork because I know you like to overcompensate. So dig in, bro.
All right.
So just take a bite, get deep in there, and then just kind of like explain the flavors when they hit you, and just tell us your overall thoughts on the actual salad. I'm also gonna get a little tangerine, little pickle, crunch.
Tangerine just popped.
Oh.
I love it, bro. So much going on there. So much going on.
Bro.
You got the tanginess of the dressing.
Yeah, that's fire.
You got the crunchiness of the noodles. And then once you hit that
Oh
mandarin
yeah,
orange,
I just got the mandarin. That
yeah,
shit,
bro. It's like
it's salty. You get this kind of like
Yeah,
salty
no,
tang, and then as soon as that mandarin hits, it's just like this like perfect burst of sweetness to just offset everything and balance it out. That's really good. It's a really good salad. Jacqueline had just come downstairs. Maybe I'll throw in some B-roll of her sneaking it. Excuse me, ma'am. This is robbery.
Come on.
That's good. I give that 10 out of 10. That's bomb. Absolutely. All right.
I'll give that a 9 out of 10.
9?
9 out of 10.
Okay.
There's no protein. You know, you gotta get the
Right, you
protein
could
in
add
there.
chicken in there though.
could add
I could
chicken.
have added chicken, but
Chicken would make that a 10.
it's from my vegetarians. And vegans. There's no, I don't think there's any milk product in here either. So this is the perfect vegetarian / vegan salad.
Vegan approved.
Vegan approved, welcome. We're on the channel now. Dope, all right. Now let's go ahead and dive into our teriyaki glazed salmon, which you can find on my channel. My very first upload was how to cook bomb salmon for your wife. That's pretty much the same thing we had here, except I pan fried it with our Caesar salad. So I'm gonna go first because I can. Ooh, perfect like medium rare salmon right there. That's bomb. Yo, there's almost, holy shit. There's almost like too much flavor in there. Wow. So that salmon is like a lot at first, right? Right? Woo. That's a lot. That salmon, there's a lot of flavor on this thing.
There's so much going on right there too.
There's almost too much.
So you got the salmon, which is, I love salmon. And the way you cook salmon, I gotta tell you, I've been cooking my salmon ever since you made that video. The way that you make it. That salmon is fire.
Yeah, that's the best.
Then you got the salad, the lemon. I just gotta, that bite of that lemon makes it fire.
That's what that is. I'm trying to figure it
It's
out.
the lemon.
That's bomb.
Bro, eating this salad so far, bro, I'm feeling a little extra healthy. Feeling a little extra healthy right now.
Really?
You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling a little extra healthy. I feel like
All right.
this jacket.
Did that just happen from this salad?
Hold on. I gotta carry you.
Cut.
Dude, get your pecs out of my face. I hate both of you motherfuckers so much right now. All right, bro. Let's dive in to our raspberry Greek jumbo salad. It's our last salad. Grab a piece of goat cheese, grab some of that chicken, get some of that tomato, that arugula.
Broccoli.
Woo, broccoli. It's a lot going on.
There's a lot going
It's a big
on.
bite. This is the one that's gonna fill you up, no problem. I'm telling you, the raspberry, vinaigrette, and the Greek mix. I don't care, bro.
All
I'm gonna chip a tooth, dog. Bro,
That's my favorite.
for real? Damn. Let me try that.
No.
Wow, that was bomb.
The olives, the goat cheese.
So many.
That's my favorite.
It's weird because this is so strong. Like the flavors are so heavy in this. And in this one, it's lighter, but the olive has like a unique taste. The tomatoes got unique taste. The dressing, the goat cheese adds like this like salty creaminess. So good.
And you know how to cook your chicken.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's crucial. So if you had to rank them, bat first, second, third, where you at?
First, second, third.
Third because the salmon probably was cold.
Yeah.
Fair, fair. All right, man. Well,
Yeah.
keep digging in. I gotta talk to the camera for a second. By the way, guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Also, hit that notification bell. Thumbs up, drop a comment. Let me know which salad you think is gonna be the best. And we also have to address our $50 gift card winner for the Huevos Rancheros weekly winner. This week's winner is Peter Pan Pin Trading. Congrats, man. This dish looked bomb. The photography was bomb. Everything about it looked amazing. I see a lot of chorizo in there, like sick dish. Great job. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is another episode of More Seasoning. Once again, my name is Farnum. Hit that subscribe button, share this video, drop a comment with your thoughts. I appreciate you tuning in with me. Make those salads. Keep yourself on the healthy course for 2020. These are bomb. 3 different flavors, 3 different types of salads, 3 different amazing options for you to be the best you that you can be. That was a lot of B's. See you later, guys. Thanks.
We got one more salad to try.
Some good old cracked pepper. It's our first time in Dad's video.
Oh, you like Dad's cooking, huh? Smell it? Oh.
Oh no, she put that shit down.
Yeah, she really did.
Damn. Draw your weapon. Knight? Right?